Hello dear Libra, welcome back to my channel and this is your first week's exclusive love reading plus career reading for the month of July. So if you are a Libra Sun Moon Rising, check out the reading of the sign you resonate with the most and then watch it. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. You've got the Two of Stars and the Fortune's Wheel in your career. This tells me that you are dealing with a woman in your career, could be a boss, colleague, friend, or family, and you're thinking of starting something new with them, right? This person will bring a lot of balance into your life. They will uh, complement your energies. For example, if you're lacking in a skill, they will have it. If you're lacking in a knowledge, they will have it, and you both will strike a balance. It could be that you want to start a new business with somebody, or this person is helping or investing or guiding you in some way, or you're starting it with the blessings of this person. That could be that as well. Fortune's Wheel talks about some sort of ending which is coming your way. So in the first week of July, you can expect something to end and something to begin. That means one thing has to end for you so that the new beginning can happen. Okay, so when something ends, please don't get scared because that's how it's supposed to happen. You cannot probably do both things, juggle both things at the same time. So you will be ending, for example, a job and going for higher studies, ending a job, starting your own business, or ending one job to take up another job, like that. Okay, so fresh new beginnings are waiting for you. You're ending a karmic cycle, a karmic chapter, and a new karmic chapter will begin now. This chapter looks better and brighter than whatever you have gone through in the past. If you think you did not get much fame or you did not get the salary or position that you wanted, but now the opportunity that is opening up for you will give you all that. Maybe you were looking for mental peace, it will give you that. So whatever was lacking, this opportunity which is coming your way is going to be better. Your life is definitely moving forward because with the Fortune's Wheel, if you felt stuck in your career in any way, opportunities will start knocking your doors and opening up to you now. Let's see what's happening in your love life, your personal life in general. You have got the Eight of Moons, the Four of Suns, and the Lady card, which tells me that uh, you're fearing your outcome. You're doubting your outcome of the future. Probably if you're single, you could be worried about your future. Like, I'm never gonna get married. I'm always gonna stay single. And if you're already in a relationship or married, then you must be thinking, I don't know if my life is going to be smooth or relations with my in-laws are going to be smooth or my spouse are going to be smooth or not, just because you faced a hard time in the past, right? Now all that is going to go away because I do see no matter what your situation is, relationship or marriage, you are going to be feeling very happy and reunited with the people. You could be reuniting with your old friends or relatives this week. You're definitely being more social this week. Like there is a gathering and everyone around you is very happy. You could be getting some sort of applaud or fame as well. Like you will be known for your work or your nature in some way. You have a very giving and generous energy. So definitely you could be inviting people over to your home. Some sort of celebration around you is happening. Gathering is happening. I see a peaceful, happy home this week, and I also see that there's someone around you, probably in your own circle. It can be through relatives, it can be your own friend circle, or your own, job or business circle. There is somebody who looks at you as a perfect lady, right? Now, even if you're a man, you can reverse the role. A perfect person means somebody who has got a good personality, who's caring, who's nurturing, at the same time very smart, very intelligent, can handle home, can handle work, that kind of energy. So if you haven't got a proposal right now, you might not get a proposal right away, but somebody is definitely looking at you with that feeling, right? Respectful energy, want to probably approach you, taking their time, but definitely someone is around you who really really likes you, is very much interested in you, and probably you wouldn't even know. So please keep your eyes and ears open for any information or any signs that somebody is interested in you. This will give you a lot of hope as well. So if I talk about your overall week, let me tell you, it looks beautiful. You're going to be enjoying this week a lot. And yes, this was a generalized reading. If you would like to book your own personal reading, you can book a personal reading with me. If you resonated with this, if you think, yes, this is resonating with me, please do like, share, subscribe my channel. And if you want to claim this positive energies, do comment, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy so that it reaches you faster. And I do have various services available with me. I have audio video sessions available. I have packages available where multiple questions will be answered and a free remedy will be given to you to remove the blockages. I also have different rituals available. So if you would like to only book the rituals, which are very cheap, by the way, and very powerful, you can book that as well. I have spiritual counseling session available as well. So if you think you need counseling, you need guidance with the help of your tarot, I will be guiding you, telling you exactly what you're doing wrong in life, which path you need to take. And again, with the help of your angels, your spirit guides, I will be giving you a remedy free of cost in your spiritual counseling session as well. And to make any kind of booking, you can either email me at astha.sharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please follow me on Instagram because I post all these details on a daily basis. You will get to know if there is any new service being launched on my channel, if I'm coming live, and through what link. Also, since this is a new channel, I won't come live on this channel. I will come live on my Hindi channel. So please do subscribe so that you can get the notifications here, and look out for more updates on my Instagram handle where you will also get to know the prices as well, because I keep on posting the prices in my stories of packages, of services. You'll get more idea if you want to know and stay more updated about my channel. So this was your first week's exclusive Love Plus career reading. I hope you guys liked it and you will subscribe it. You will follow me on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.